Salisbury Plain, crossing Bravo is broadly speaking where we are, and don't know what that is. That's a new technique, treasure hunting we'll call that. Old floppy ears himself. Baby thinks he owns the place. Oh no! Yay, Bailey! Come on! Week in the northeast and you're knackered, yeah? Come on, it's a beautiful day. Yeah man, trail bikes standing up on the Salisbury Plain. Beautiful. Here come the off-roaders. They'll be turning left though. Red flag means the army are in the back garden doing army things. So there are limited choices for us all. Ah Jesus, they're not even proper 4x4s, look. Not a Land Rover amongst them. Awful. Should be banned. Is it any wonder I love walking Bailey on the Salisbury Plain? We normally go all the way up there. Lark Hill Racecourse is up there, and I think that is Anniversary Plantation, where we were only a week ago. Everywhere you turn on the Salisbury Plain, there's just acres of space. The Salisbury Plain. I've no idea what this fella is, but he's yappy and he was fighting against the wind. Now he lands on the floor. Lovely. Hope you've enjoyed. See you again.